Welcome back to a current episode. First of all, happy Thanksgiving. Today I'm going to show you how to make the chocolate pudding shots. First off, you need 2 of these. So we'll take 2 of these, put in my mixing bowl. Two of these chocolate pudding mix. 2 of these make 50 of these containers, about, give or take. So I poured 1 inside a container. This is my second one. It's really good for like a little starter or a long night drinking for Thanksgiving. Then I will put about a cup of this milk in there. Then I'll put a cup of my Baileys in there. And a cup of my Smirnoff whipped cream vodka. That extra kick to it. After all that, I will take about a container and a half of this whipped cream. When I got a container, I got half rated for me. You take about 1 full tub, like 16 ounces. But I like mine to be extra smooth and creamy. So I may add another half of a tub in there. Next up, I'm going to put it in the mixer real quick for everything to get all blended together.